Hello.
Hello everyone, we are Charles and we have solved the Preply track of Language Process Tracker. As we can see, student 1 clearly make a progress, and we measure that through fluency, grammar and vocabulary. Student 2 also, we saw that it got a little bit stuck over the 2 lessons. But how do we measure that? We measured every specific things in each method, like fluency, where we measured the time it took to tell that word, the redundance, like using of filler words, and the repetition of other words. Additionally, we also implemented the grammar, where we measured,
For example, in
student 1, in first in lesson 2, the different grammar structures that they use, and also the errors that they made over there. Additionally, the vocabulary, like the one that the practice to speak. Then, regarding the vocabulary, we showed how many words used of each complexity. For example, problem being an easy one, and some other words being more complex. Then, we also did a comparison between lessons, so you can see over there. For example, for vocabulary, we measured how many words were used for each level and the most common words used. And for example, and the family. One used 7 and the other one used 11, where the student 1 clearly improved, so it makes sense. Then for the grammar, we used the shared structures that were measured over in both, and also the common errors, so the student knows what they should practice.
Future developments, right? Because we want to develop more things.
Wait.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah, don't get ahead of yourself. Then for fluency, we also measured a couple of things, like the speed, the average, how much they measured each word, how fast they went, like the same thing I explained before.
Is it my turn now?
Yes.
Okay, future developments. We want to take into account the teacher feedback, right? And reinforce on what the teacher is suggesting to improve. Then we want to take into account bigger context windows, because we have taken not so big context windows. And as well, we want to make recommendations on what needs to be improved. Thanks for watching.
Thank you, bye!